Hello, this is Brian McGlenn with MarineMax and Stuart. Today I'm standing on a 2023 Boston Whaler 325 Conquest. This 325 Conquest replaced the old 315 Conquest in 2021. A couple of notable features on this model: platinum upgraded hull sides, full side glass on the sides, twin Mercury 300 V8s with joystick control. This boat's well equipped. Would love to show you guys around, so please hop on board and we'll give you a quick walkthrough. One of my favorite things about the 325 Conquest is its versatility. So it's a great fishing boat, cruising boat with the family, so it's a great day boat, and also a great weekender. Down with the cabin down below, sleeping for 4. You can take the whole family out, spend 2 to 3 days out in the water. Starting here in the cockpit, as you can see, plenty of open fishing space. You have 2 fish boxes in the deck, plenty of rod holders all the way around, outriggers up on the hardtop. But very quickly, this boat will transform into an entertainment boat. So starting here in the back, you have a large aft lounger, port side seat. So with these 2 folded out, you have great entertainment space. You have a teak table that's going to insert right in the center. Place your hors d'oeuvres, your drinks on there, and then of course your aft lounger on this side. There is a footrest that's going to extend. And then in addition to that, you do have a grill. Up on top, when you are entertaining, you have a automatic sure shade that's going to extend back to give you some extra coverage from the sun. And then one of my favorite features over on the starboard side, you have a large, heavy, oversized dive door. It's great for getting in and out the sandbar, boarding the boat at a floating dock. As you can see here, you have a nice grab rail that will extend out. Dive ladder is going to go into place, so a nice easy place to get in and out of the water, and then you're away from your engines. As we walk forward here underneath the hardtop, this helm station is air conditioned. Notable feature, this does have the full side glass all the way around, and then you can enclose it completely with isinglass. You have a nice sink, refrigerator down below. One of the coolest features on this boat, in my mind, is the ability for everyone in this area to be facing forward when you're up and running. So you have a seat here for 2, another single seat, both facing forward. But again, Boston Whaler is all about the innovation and convertible seating. So very quickly, this seat's going to flip around, as did that backrest. And then you have a nice teak table that's going to extend up. Flip this over, now you have a nice dining area. As you come over here to your captain's chair, you have a nice captain's chair, flip down bolster and armrests. Nice helm station, dual Simrad 12-inch screens, Mercury vessel view, Mercury joystick with the auto heading and sky hook, digital throttle and shift, trim tabs. Very easy to use boat. All of your switching is labeled. And then of course you have some nice AC. 2 vents at the helm, push some nice natural airflow through the boat. So let's go take a look at the cabin. As you walk into the cabin of the 325 Conquest, you have a nice dining area, V-berth up front, so you have a foldable teak table. Very quickly, this is going to fold. It's a gas assist, and it will go down. So now this quickly transforms into a V-berth. Without carrying extra upholstery or cushions with you, the backrests from the dining area go on top of the table to create a nice sized bed. As you come down, you're going to have a nice cooking station, stovetop grill, refrigerator, microwave, sink, plenty of storage all the way around. And then if you come on down here and look aft, you'll have a second berth, aft berth in the back, sleeping for 1 to 2. On the starboard side of the boat, this will bring you to your head. Thank you again for taking the time to watch this video of the Boston Whaler 325 Conquest. We'd love to answer any of your questions or bring you by for a personal visit of this specific boat. please give us a call at MarineMax Stuart, 772-287-4495. Thank you again.